Hello, my name is David. I am 9th grade student and I'm passionate about science and its impact on our world. In the future, I aspire to pursue a career in science or IT. CO2 is actually not the only environmental issue we face. We also face a problem with plastic pollution, deforestation, overfishing, ocean acidification, and not to mention all other greenhouse gases that are warming our planet. We as humans, after the Industrial Revolution, are relying on fossil fuels and crude oil. Just think about your last day. Did anyone not use a source of energy or product that came from crude oil? Does anyone think about the impact of fossil fuels and oil on the environment? The extraction of crude oil is a very harmful process on the environment, not to mention the oil spills. The 2010 Deepwater Horizon oil spill was actually the biggest oil spill to the date. There were spilled over 750 million liters of oil over 3 months in the Gulf of Mexico. When spills happen, the raw crude oil can persist and impact the ocean and land for decades, and gases are also released into the atmosphere. Despite the impact of the spills, we know very little about how often they occur and how much oil is being spilled. And that was a very surprising fact to me. So we started the Global Oil database, where we searched for the oil spills in the last 100 years. I have just started analyzing this data, but overall, the goal of my research is to estimate how much oil is being spilled each year and how frequently, and where are the hotspots location for the oil spills. I analyzed data using Python code to get a broad snapshot of the oil spills over the past 100 years. The preliminary results are presented here in this plotly map, and I would like to show some initial trends. When you just consider the oil spills that are highlighted in middle, spills appear very infrequent. But when you consider all the spills there have been, over 17,000 events since 1960. That's over 300 spills a year. These spills we know about, and my analysis most likely underestimate total amounts spilled. Also, there are regions with high shipping and oil operations, but with little or no spills reported, like the Black Sea or Caspian Sea, are good examples. In the coming months, my colleagues and I will continue this work, including information on oil spills and other pollution events from Moldova and North Carolina, so that we can, for the first time ever in science, make a global estimate of the impact of oil spills on climate change. It's clear we need a better reporting system that is independent of political influences to get a full picture of the impact of oil industry. Earlier this year, MethaneSat satellite was launched into space to provide information about how much methane is released from oil operations. Methane is also a poorly understood greenhouse gas that is more potent at trapping heat than the CO2. The information recorded by the MethaneSat will come to public later this year in the summer, and I am looking forward to analyze it.